I wanna walk around, strolling around, go over town. Under the Zhuhai moon, it makes you wanna go out, check it all out. Just a strolling out and about under that Zhuhai moon. Under the big old Zhuhai moon. Fashion and people all around we see, from trendy boutiques to a warm cup of tea. So many restaurants just a stone's throw away. In this vibrant neighborhood we could stay all day. Under the Zhuhai moon, it makes you wanna go out, check it all out. Just a strolling out and about under that Zhuhai moon. Under the big old Zhuhai moon.
Okay, we're on Zhuhai's pedestrian walking street, which is generally there's no cars, but you can see some cars parked there. But it's changing quite a bit, so I'm noticing there's lots of more construction here. The border is all the way down that way. Gonna be walking down that way, so stay tuned for that. This is a pedestrian street. It's changing quite a bit. I'm just kind of surprised there's so much construction. Let me just kind of highlight that real quick, but this is under construction and that's under construction. And I was just thinking how ugly this actually is, this street, compared to a lot of the other really beautiful pedestrian walking streets in China. So maybe they're going to do something totally different and make this more beautify it. Anyways, let's go down that way, go around, show you what it looks like in 2025. Okay, Zhuhai's pedestrian street, walking street, up on the map. You can see exactly where we are. This particular street keeps metamorphosizing. Originally, it was like this, it had a lot more life to it. Before Hado 2017, there was like some like little places to hang out on the street, like bars with tables, and Typhoon destroyed some of that, and then it just seems like it's never really recovered, in my particular opinion. But anyways, now it feels like it's kind of some kind of transition, lots of different stuff. So you'll see that as I go into the video. The preview part, I was kind of playing more of the latter end of the video. The first part I'll be kind of walking through more of what it is now anyways, without further ado, up on the map, got some music for you as well. That's just a song I fed into AI, wrote the words, and let's get right into it as if you were there yourself. Zhuhai's pedestrian street, not too far from the Macau border. Okay, so we're going to be walking past more construction here. Maybe they're just doing the pipes. I can see some piping in there. I feel like they should really beautify the street, make it look really nice. Like a lot of mainland China has these really beautiful pedestrian streets everywhere, and I feel like Zhuhai should have it because there's a lot of money here. This is kind of known as like the Chinese Riviera, kind of. When you walk down this area, it just doesn't really, you know, the streets are kind of, it's like they need attention. Yeah, and actually this used to be, oh, there's more construction down that way too. You can get your feet massaged and they'll take care of you here. Huh. There's still quite a few people, and there's quite a bit of shopping, but this could be a lot better. Like, this could be really beautiful. There's all these little side streets which are pretty interesting. I'd actually like to go down one of those. But we should stay faithful to our street here. Yeah, this really ought to be beautified. So hopefully they're, oh, look at that. Looks like they're building a train station over there. So maybe they are going to beautify this. So yeah, actually way at the base too, there's a lot of construction too. Let me kind of walk over to the left a little bit. So maybe they are trying to do something. It definitely looks like a train station stop. Okay. I do have other videos from about 5 years ago of walking down the street, so I'll connect it to the end. No shortage of fresh fruit in fresh pickles too in Zhuhai. Okay. Yeah, it's just not really that pretty right now. They're doing more work over here too. Yeah, I think it'll be a different place. It's hard to know if they're just doing piping or if they're actually rebuilding the street. And we're just gonna keep on walking down. I think we're kind of getting near the end of the pedestrian street part. So, okay. Well, I don't know if I shared that great of a thing for you guys or not. Just kind of breeze through here real quick. We'll just keep on walking down. My video is only 3 minutes in, so maybe we should give you a little bit more of an idea of what it all looks like. But yeah, so this is fairly close to the Macau side. Look at all these bikes here, so you can download the app and ride any of these bikes you want. I should do that, but actually this is kind of photogenic. I think some of these streets are be a little bit careful because they're like spas and things like that down in some of these. Prostitution, maybe. Okay. Let me just see here. Let's go down like this. And so we're kind of meandering around, and I'm just going to meander over this way. Actually, I'm going to come to this closing pretty soon. I kind of want to go to another whole spot of Zhuhai and end this video. But I did miss the very beginning part of the walking street, which was mostly under construction. It looked like it'd be kind of unattractive to film. But I think you got the idea that it's generally kind of construction-ish. But anyways, we'll walk back towards the pedestrian street and then we'll end it looking down that street. Just to get an idea of what it looks like. But that's our pedestrian street down that way. You can see all the construction. Let me see. And then the alleys are what's really cool to go down. Okay. The art decoration thing. Okay. Here's the Zhuhai map. So we're somewhere near the border there. Somewhere in here. And I guess on that note, we're just going to end it. So that was kind of our little pedestrian street. There's a hotel right there too. All right.